Roblox has recently added voice chat feature using which you can talk to other players in-game. And in this quick and easy Roblox tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on microphone and enable in-game voice chat on your Roblox account, and I'll also show you what to do in case the voice chat option is missing. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. For this process, we're gonna use our Samsung S24 Ultra, but this will also work on iPhones. So let's open the Roblox app, and to enable voice chat, we need to go to more options, then scroll down to settings, and then go to privacy. Scroll down a bit and you'll find microphone and camera input. We just need to toggle on use microphone to chat with voice and then press enable. Now our microphone is turned on. Now you'll be able to voice chat in games that supports microphone. From this page you can also turn on camera input so that your avatar will copy your movement. But in your case, if you can't find this option and it's missing, just like you see on this account on our iPhone, in that case, first you need to ensure that your account is at least 13 plus verified. To check that, you need to open settings, then go to parental controls. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see your account age. If it is set to lower than 13 plus, then either choose 13 plus or 17 plus according to your age, and go through the verification. After that, your account will be verified shortly, and then you should get the microphone option. If you still can't see it, this means you don't have a phone number verified. As you can see here, we have the same case. So just tap on add phone, enter your phone number and verify it. Then you'll be able to use the voice chat option on your Roblox account. So that's how you can enable voice chat on Roblox. Let us know your feedback, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.